Hi y'all, it's CJ. I am getting ready to paint on this 12 by 24 inch canvas, this gallery wrapped, and I have already covered it with a base coat of white. It is Color Place latex paint from Walmart, and it's just plain white. I'm going to do a flip and drag, and let me show you my colors. I have Harbor by Color Place mixed with Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. I have Golden Interference Blue. This is Folk Art 24 karat gold. This is Golden Interference Gold. And this is Sterling Silver by Folk Art. As you can see, I've made the consistency where it doesn't leave a mound. Maybe for a split second, but that's all. I hope you can see that. This was done by adding 1 part paint to 1 part medium and then putting water in as needed till it got to that consistency. Okay, I'm going to need 3 flip cups for this pour. So I'm going to do them where you can see. Okay. I'm going to start with white. Just cover the bottom of the cup. Then I'm going to come in with this Harbor with iridescent medium, and I'm layering it in the cup. Interference Gold. Folk Art Gold, 24 karat gold. I think this is going to be just enough paint and the right consistency. I hope so. Then the Interference Blue from Golden. Continue pouring down the side of the cup, and then I'm going to end with Sterling Silver from Folk Art. This should be just enough paint. I'm so happy about that. Okay. Let me move my canvas back down so you can see. I'm going to let those drain down just a couple of minutes, and I'll move these paints out of the way. I'm filming today in a small town outside Houston called Alvin, Texas, and I'm outside in the garage, and it's cloudy, but the temperature is just marvelous. It's about 65. Just a small breeze, not much of one, but very nice. Okay. Ooh, pretty. I'm loving it. Oh, that's beautiful. Before we lose it all off that side, gonna give it a torch. Not a lot of cells. Here they come. I'm bringing them up with the heat. Pretty webbing right there. Very pretty. This interference paint, it doesn't sell up very good, does it? And I've got the iridescent medium in the other paints, so I'm not getting a lot of cells. But it's still very pretty. Check my sides. Looks good. Very pretty. Now I'm going to give you a close-up. Let's get my hands wiped off first. There you go. That's the finished piece. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions for me or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks again. Bye now.